at BitesWeLove, we make snacks worth craving. So we always try to combine amazing taste and texture with nourishment to really properly fuel your cravings. So we make healthy bars, like our protein bars, but also chewy bars, cookie bars we'll be launching. So yeah, we're a Dutch brand. In the Netherlands, we're in all major supermarkets, and we just launched in the UK. We decided to attend the IFV because we are looking to expand our brand here, mostly in retail. So yeah, I mean, we had some amazing conversations today and yesterday with some larger supermarkets, and yeah, you know, snacking is such a competitive space. I mean, there's so many brands trying to break into the category. So especially within protein bars, we see that, you know, it's a super competitive category. So we're really proud that we got recognized for making something really innovative, both in terms of nourishment and taste. So we won with the award with the caramel fudge protein bar, and I think, you know, it's really new to the category because it's a high protein bar that is also high in fiber, but it's just completely different in terms of texture. So it's more like a Rice Krispie rather than like a dense, heavy protein bar. And it's, you know, it's nut-free, it's gluten-free, it's plant-based, and we don't use any artificial sweeteners. So they can contact us through sales@BitesWeLove.com. Or yeah, just hop on our website, on our social pages, and yeah, I mean, we're always happy to explore the opportunity.